Hello everyone, this is Keisha and today I am going to do a demonstration video on how to make a Play-Doh using flour, salt, vegetable oil or baby oil, food coloring, and a cup of water. So first, make sure that this flour is sifted. And then we mix the salt with the flour. Yep. After that, we mix the flour and the salt. Make sure we have mixed them together. Mix. Once done mixing, we have to make a crater in the middle. Let's try to make a donut out of this bowl. What's this for? This is where we will put the water mixed with food coloring. Alright, done. So let's put this aside. So now I have 1 cup of water and I will pour the food coloring and make sure they mix well together. As you can see, I chose the color green. Color green is my favorite color, so I'm going to use the color green for today. Once we are done with that, let's get our bowl of flour and pour it here. Okay. Slowly. So now that we have combined the dry and the wet ingredients, let's mix them slowly. Slowly. It's like experimenting, you know. This is my first time making a Play-Doh, and I hope this will be a success. So mix it well. Okay, so now we have the dough blended. Let's pour some oil. And let's blend it again. Okay, now let's use our hands to further blend the dough, and let's see if it's already good enough to be a Play-Doh. Wow. So fascinating. I have a very big Play-Doh now. So let's see. Let's play for a while with our Play-Doh. I never knew this was so easy to do. It would have been better if there's children with me playing with this. And we'll have different colors, right? But then again, guys, this is how to make a Play-Doh for kids to enjoy. It could be for moms, for their kids, and this could be good for teachers who teach young kids. Bye-bye.